Hey there, I'm Garrett from the Software Training Lab, and today we're going to go over adding transitions in Adobe Premiere Pro. Transitions are important elements that you can add to your video, whether it's a slow fade in from a black screen or blurring between clips. Transitions should help the viewer see the change from one scene to another. The easiest way to apply transitions is by right-clicking any clip's edge and choosing Apply Default Transitions. This applies a crossfade to any video and constant power to any audio clip, which we'll go over in a second. Now, when I play back, this clip ends and the next one fades in. You can find more transitions in the Effects panel, which should be in the bottom left. If you don't see the Effects panel, go to Window, Effects. This panel also includes regular effects, but we're just going to focus on transitions. Let's start with audio transitions first. You'll notice that there aren't that many to choose from. In fact, there's little difference between them. Constant gain adjusts the volume of an audio clip linearly. Constant power is a little more gradual. And exponential fade adjusts the volume even more gradually. You'll notice that constant power has a slight blue border around its icon because that's the default transition. You can change the default by right-clicking on the icon and choosing Set Selected as Default Transition. To apply any transition from this panel, just drag it onto the edge of your clip. Now this is an audio transition, so it has to be on the end of an audio clip. Now my music should fade in. Now, on to the video transitions. There's quite a lot more to work with here. The most standard ones are found under Dissolve. Here's where we'll find a lot of basic transitions such as dip to black, film dissolve, and our default cross dissolve. All of these are some form or other of fading. There's many more to choose from in this section, and some of them are more impressive than others. I would caution you from using ridiculous PowerPoint style transitions unless you really need them. For example, barn doors is probably not the best idea for your project. Only Star Wars is really able to pull off transitions like this. Consider the video that you're making when you're picking a transition. The best kind of transition will work into the video rather than be a distraction from it. In our next video, we're going to cover more on how to customize your timeline with timeline options.